DJI Mini 3 Buyer's Guide. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The excitement is building as the DJI Mini 3 is going to be released this coming Tuesday, May the 10th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. First of all, Bill the Drone Reviewer has you covered with the DJI Mini 3 release party. That's right, we're going to have a party. It's going to start at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. There is a link in the description for that. Now, we may start after the video. It all depends if DJI is running a video or is just going ahead and release the drone. So we won't know anything until that actual time. So please do join us and make sure to set your reminders on so you don't miss that. Marcus, Ron, Johnny, Ray, and Matt are going to be here. We're going to have a blast. So stay tuned for it. What I thought I'd like to do is put together a buyer's guide to give you an idea of the options and pricing available. Now, a disclaimer before we get into anything here is that this is the information that is as of available as the time and date of this video. It is subject to change. The availability is also subject to change as well, just to get that out of the way. Now let's go ahead, and the first thing I wanted to do is discuss some terminology here. Now, the release date is the date that DJI releases the drone and is available for sale on multiple websites, which is this Tuesday, May the 10th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, the multiple websites, for example, you could be able to find it on DJI's website, of course, Best Buy, Amazon, B&H Photo, and a whole lot more. These are just representative samples of where you'll be able to purchase this. Now, the next definition that I'd like to go over is availability, because I've had a number of questions on this. Now, availability is the date that the drone is available to ship or to be picked up at a big box retailer, such as Best Buy. It will also be the date that the drone ships. For example, if you ordered it from DJI, it will be the shipping date, just to clear that information up. Now let's go ahead over of some of the pricing and options available for the drone itself. Now this is from Jasper Ellens, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro single unit, okay, it's translated here 739 euro, but it is a standalone unit. In other words, it is just the drone and the battery itself. There is no controller with this here. Now the next one, again, this was from the leak from the other day, and this was from Jasper Ellens. And what I did here with the pricing was I did go ahead and convert this to US dollars. So for example, the DJI Mini 3 Pro ND filter set is $55.58 US. The DJI Mini 3 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery is $75.66 USD. The DJI Mini 3 Pro wide-angle lens is $41.52 US dollars, USD, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro propellers is $15.41 USD. The DJI Mini 3 Pro two-way charging hub is $51.56 USD. The DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit is $197.43 USD. The DJI Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC is $965.32 USD. And the DJI Mini 3 Pro with a standard controller is $841.77 USD. And again, all of that information is subject to change based upon your country and availability as far as that's concerned. What I am planning on doing, I'm planning on buying the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the new remote controller. I'm also planning on buying a battery separately, and I'm also planning on buying an extended battery separately as well, and a charging hub. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI 3 Mini Buyer's Guide? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.